In this video we are going to learn how to install a Rointe towel rail with hidden brackets. For its installation, we only need a drill, a screwdriver and a pencil. Inside the box of our towel rail, together with the product, you will find the installation kit. It consists of 4 brackets, screws and fixing plugs, as well as an installation template and the user manual. To start the installation process, we will place the template in the place where we want to install our towel rail. Next, mark with a pencil the holes where the brackets will be placed. Remember to mark only the holes corresponding to the model to be installed. With the help of the drill, we drill holes at the previously marked points. We remove the part from the inside of the 4 trims. Next, we insert the plugs and fix the external parts of the brackets with the screws that we will find in the installation kit. Then, we place the inner parts of the brackets on the back of the towel rail. After that, we place the product, inserting the parts we have just placed in the already installed trims, and fastening them with the grub screws. Remember to repeat this step on all towel rail supports. All that remains is to connect our product to a power socket to complete the installation. Our Rointe towel rail dryer is now up and running. Remember that if the towel rail installed is a product with Wi-Fi Direct, you can learn how to pair it with your app in the video we recommend below.